How to get Shell Business Credit Card. Let's get started. First up, you'll need to open any of the browser, then head towards this website. Type in businessfleetsolutions.com and search for it. You will be directed to this page. Now scrolling down over here, you're going to find different card options. Shell Fleet Plus card, Shell Small Business card, Shell Fleet Navigator card. Go ahead and click on this one, Shell Small Business card. Also over here, you'll find the features of this card. You can go through this. Then click on Apply Now. You will be directed to this kind of page. Now you have to complete these steps to apply for credit card. This process includes 11 steps. You have to complete all these steps to apply for a Shell Business card. Firstly, you'll need to provide your information, legal first name, last name, likewise email address and phone number. Likewise, provide your business information. Then click on Continue. In the next page as well, you'll need to provide all of your information, financial information and all of that. Once you complete all these steps, you will be good to go. You just applied for a Shell Business Credit Card. So that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can easily get Shell Business Credit Card. If this video was helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.